Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the job openings on ServiceNow developer. So this is the first job opening. Let us go through the first job opening. So this is the job title Certificate Application Developer ServiceNow, and it would be a hybrid mode. Needs someone who can work on W2 and would be flexible to go on site. They're looking for this particular skill. Skills are required for that candidate is CAD completed prior to starting work, since USA doesn't give permission to access dev instance without this. So experience developing flows with multiple REST integrations. They're also they're also expecting catalog development using variables, UI actions, client scripts, business rules, etc. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for this particular job opening, you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID, Vaishnavi, or else you can follow Vaishnavi and you can send your resumes there. So coming to the next job opening, job title would be ServiceNow developer, and experience they are expecting from the candidate 7 years overall years of experience. They are expecting like 4+ years in ITOM, CMDB or GRC modules. So this is the location is remote location in India, and job type would be part time and second job. And the notice period they are expecting from the candidates immediate joiners. This is a job summary, and these are the key responsibilities that the candidate should have. Let us go through these key responsibilities here. So develop and implement ServiceNow solutions focusing on ITOM, CMDB, GRC, customized workflows, managing configuration and optimize CMDB data. So also performing system integrations, troubleshoot issues, and ensure platform reliability. So qualification they are expecting from the candidates 7+ years of ServiceNow development experience, and also 4+ years of experience in ITOM, CMDB or GRC modules, strong JavaScript, GlideScript, and ServiceNow API skills they are expecting from the candidate. So their preferred certification is CSA certification, CSA implementation specialist. So they are expecting this. So you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID here, Vikas Mudrakola. So you can send your resumes to that particular person if you are interested for the job opening, or if you have these qualifications, you can the candidate can be applicable for this job. So coming to the next job opening is job title would be application developer service no, and the client IMB, sorry, IBM, and the client is Feneme, and location would be remote location. So this is the particular mail they are given here. If you can send your resume to that particular mail if you are interested for the job opening, and they are also expecting 5 to 7 years of experience for the candidate, and ServiceNow technology platform experience, service portal, custom app development, any of SN modules like ITSM, integrated risk management, MGMT like GRC, service catalog, CMDB, discovery, IT asset management, etc. So these are all the modules they're expecting from the candidates, and strong development background in Java or JavaScript. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resume to this particular person directly, Anil. So coming to the next job opening is ServiceNow GRC developer. 8+ years of experience they are expecting from the candidate, and location would be Bangalore location. And this is the role overview. The candidate should have these skills. If you have these skills, you can be applicable for the job skills like solution design and development custom GRC solutions on the ServiceNow platform, including workflows, dashboards, reports, and integrations. So this is the requirement gathering, collaborate with business stakeholders or gather analyze GRC requirement, translate business needs into technical specifications and scalable solutions, integration, and develop and manage integrations between ServiceNow GRC third-party system tools. So these are all the main skills they are expecting from the candidate. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can be applicable for the job. Like you can share your resume to this particular person, or else you can send your resumes to this particular person like Mithun name, or else you can share your resume to this particular mail ID, Mithun. So we'll go through the next job opening here. ServiceNow ITOM developer would be the role, and location would be the remote location. Type of job would be the contract job, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 10 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. And these are the key skills like ServiceNow Discovery, ITOM, and service mapping. So these are all the skills. If you have these skills and if you are interested for this particular job opening, you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID, or else you can send your resumes to this particular person by following him. The role would be ServiceNow ITOM developer, and location would be remote location, and job type would be contract. Experience they are expecting from the candidates 10 years of experience, and key skills. These are all the key skills like ServiceNow Discovery, ITOM, service mapping. So if you are interested for this job opening, you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID like rajesh.e, or else you can send your resumes to this particular person. You can follow him and you can send your resumes there. So coming to the next job opening here, the role would be ServiceNow developer, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 5 to 10 years of experience, and location is Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Pune, and notice period they are given is 90 days, like 3 months of notice period they are providing here. So this is the job description, like a proven experience as ServiceNow developer with strong understanding of ServiceNow platform capabilities and development techniques. Hands-on experience in developing and customizing ServiceNow applications, including knowledge of ServiceNow Studio, JavaScript, and GlideScript and ServiceNow APIs. And also, candidates should have experience with ServiceNow modules such as ITAM, ITSM, ITOM, ITBM, and service catalog. Strong knowledge of ServiceNow best practices, including workflows, business rules, client scripts, and UI policies they are expecting from the candidate. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your CV to this particular mail ID, or else you can follow Deblena Kundu. So you can follow her and you can send your resume to that particular person. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be ServiceNow developer role, and experience they are expecting from the candidates 3 years of experience, and must have skills like these are the main skills they are expecting from the candidates, like proficiency in ServiceNow IT service management, strong understanding of IT service management process, hands-on experience in application design and development, knowledge of ITL framework and best practices. So this is the link they have provided here. You can apply through this link, or else you can send your resumes to this particular person like Lakshman Reddy. So you can send your resumes there if you are interested for this particular job opening. So coming to the next job opening here, ServiceNow developer, it would be a role, and skills required is ITSM, integration, scripting, any modules like HRSD, ITAM, ITBM, SAM, HAM, CSM, GRC, service portal. These are all the main modules like they are expecting from the candidates, and experience would be 5 to 12 years of experience, and notice period they are offering is 3 months of notice period, like 90 days they're offering here. If you are interested, you can send your updated resume to this particular mail ID, or else you can send your resumes through WhatsApp. They have provided the WhatsApp number also, so you can send your resumes to this particular WhatsApp number if you are interested for this job opening. So coming to the next job opening is 2+ years of experiences like a senior specialist. Required skill set and certification is CAD develop like and completed prior to starting work. Experience developing flows with multiple REST integrations, and 2.5 to 5 years of experience can be applicable for this job. So qualification BTech they are expecting from the candidate. So if you are BTech and if you have these skills, you can be applicable for this job. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to. She didn't give any mail IDs, so you can follow her, Nida Tasin. So you can follow her and you can send your resumes to that particular person. So that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.